Hey, Tony here with Macnaught USA. Just a quick overview of our standard BOP product offering. We entered the market about a year ago. This product is the industry's first 18-volt rechargeable conveyance pump designed specifically for 5-gallon pails and 16-gallon keg containers. Good to oils up to 90 weight. We now also offer coolant stems in 5-gallon version and ATF stems in 5-gallon and 16-gallon complexions. In the kit, you'll have everything you need to convey oil, including removable replaceable power head, stem kit, 5 foot of 1/2-inch spiral wound hose, on-demand nozzle, drip cap, battery charger, and 18-volt smart battery. You'll get a full charge in about 45 minutes. We also offer, as an option, meter gun assembly, which will read in ounces, pints, quarts, gallons, liters, and deciliters. There's your 5-gallon product. Power head up top. It clicks on and clicks off. You've got 5 foot of hose, on-demand nozzle, of course your stem. Makes pumping oils, coolants, and ATF safer, quicker, and faster. For more information, contact MacnaughtUSA.com.